I talked to my superior. Sabi ko, why did you hire me? Sabi niya, you know why I hired you? Because during your interview, I think it's really my interview talaga na nagbigay sa akin ng way because my credentials are not very impressive. So, sabi niya, during your interview, I felt that you are very willing to learn. You are very open-minded, sabi niya. And that's the turning point for them na nag-decide sila na, okay, they'll hire me. Hindi nga impressive yung credentials ko. However, it's my attitude towards during the interview talaga that made them hire me coming from him. He hired me because I was open-minded. So, third advice, be open-minded talaga. Kasi anything can happen. And once you're into that, do your best. Parang wala kang regrets na sana ginawa ko